Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel once again. I get a lot of people complaining that when they trade with their demo accounts, they make a lot of money. But as soon as they enter their live account, they end up blowing the account. They lose money or they end up blowing the account. And it makes a lot of sense because when you think about it, people, when they trade with the demo account, they are comfortable. But when they trade with their live account, they end up bringing a very poor psychology to the table. So today I'm going to give you a very good strategy. I think it's the best strategy that you can ever use. And I'm going to give you the tactical maneuver that you're going to use to bypass your psychology when you're trading on your live account. You see, trading, you need to treat trading like a doctor performing surgery on a patient. You need to treat it like a ninja. You need to bring the psychology of a ninja. That means staying in the shadows and waiting for the right time to strike. You see, trading is a 2-4-7 game. But most of the time, all you people do is try and force it. You try and force it. You see any setup and you enter the trade. Anything you want to like trade all the time. It's not like that. Trading is 70% of the time waiting for the right setup to come to you. The right setup will come to you when you wait. Trading is all about waiting in the shadows because you see, the hardest part of trading is not being in the trade. Think about it. The hardest part of trading is knowing when to stay out of the market and actually staying out of the market and waiting for the right setup to come to you so that you will enter the market. You need to wait. Be patient. It's all about patience. And when you have patience, my beautiful people, the rest is just making money. That's how you'll be printing money from the market. You'll be among the 1% of people that enter the market and take money and go consistently. And it's all about consistency too. And when you are ready to be consistent, you will find that just like a doctor stays in school for 7 or 8 years to train to become a doctor, a trader needs to wait and train first on the right mindset, on the right strategies before entering the market with your money. You see, this tactical maneuver that I'm giving you, it is the backbone of Forex trading, no matter what strategy you are using. No matter what indicator, what strategy whatsoever you are using, you need this tactical maneuver. You see, indicators are tools that traders use in aiding them to decide when to enter and exit a trade. And there are logically two types of indicators. There are the leading indicators and there are the lagging indicators. In short, the RSI and the stochastic are the leading indicators, and indicators that use moving average like the MACD you get, or the moving average itself, are lagging indicators. And you see, the leading indicators are indicators that they give you fake outs. They tell you when to enter the market early. So most at times they give you fake outs, and the lagging indicators give you indication to enter the market when it's late. So most at times you figure out when you enter the market with your moving average indicators, you enter the market late, and when you enter with the leading indicators, you enter the market too early, and it's a fake out. So guys, the most important question here is, if leading indicators tell you to enter a trade early and it's a fake out, and lagging indicators tell you to enter a trade late, all the action has finished, what is the missing piece? What is the most important information here? The most important information here is your supply and demand. Supply and demand, or support and resistance. And I know most of you or some of you have heard about support and resistance. Let me break it down as simple as possible as I can make it. I'm going to make it as simple as possible as I can make it for you guys. So pay close attention. In a few minutes, you'll understand everything that there is to know. And I promise you, if you apply the strategy today, apply it on your demo account. Once you've applied it on your demo account, and I promise you, I guarantee you, in less than 1 week of consistent work, you'll start to make money. Listen carefully. So firstly, I want you to pay attention to something. In every chart, in every market that you open, you'll notice that price is going up, which is the green candle, and price is coming down, which is the red candle. Right? Now, the first thing you're going to ask yourself is, what is making price go up and what is making it come down? And it is only one thing. Let me explain it like a kindergarten student for you guys. So at baseline level, right, what you need to understand is that Forex is like a drag and pull race. Let's say, for example, there are 100 people today buying with $10 and there are 100 people selling with $10, right? So say, for example, another 10 people are added to the people that are buying with their $10, which means the money of the people buying today are more than the money of the people selling today. If the people that are buying today are more than the people that are selling, price will continue going up. Let's say, for example, the people that are selling, they get angry that the people that are buying are more than them. So they go and tell 20 people to come and put their $10 inside the market. What will happen? The people that are selling will exceed the people that are buying. So the moment the people that are selling exceed the people that are buying, price will start coming down. I hope you understand my half-baked explanation. So guys, this is the bottom line that you need to take home with you. The very point where sellers exceed buyers and it starts coming down, it is called resistance. And the very point where buyers exceed sellers and it starts going up, it's called support, or in other words, supply and demand, which means the very point where it is going up, the market is going up, it is called demand, and the very point where market is coming down, it is called supply. So now, let's go further. You should recall the market is going up and coming down and going up and moving in waves, which means there are certain resistance levels that will unite and there are certain support levels that will unite. Look at this chart, for example. If you look closely, this is a daily time frame, and if you look at point 1, it is a resistance level. You look at point 2, it's a resistance level, and if you look at point 3, it's a resistance level. And what you will notice is that all three levels are connected in a straight line. Now, what will that tell you? There's only one explanation. Sellers are waiting at that exact level. Exactly when buyers came to that level, sellers entered the market and the price started coming down and it went up again. Sellers waited at that exact level. When price came there, they sold and it started coming down again. That is the simplest explanation. Now let's look at another example of support or supply now. What you will notice here is on point 1 and point 2, price came to the level and buyers entered the market. And when price came back to the level at point 2, buyers entered the market again. That is as simple as this is just it. This is what you will be doing in your charts. It's as simple as this. So if you are smart, you wait and do what every other person does. You go with the flow, you go with the trend. Wait for supply and demand. You wait for price to come into your level, whether you are buying or selling, and you buy or sell. Final. And the only way you can do that is by looking at your bigger time frame. Now, this analysis was done with a daily time frame. Imagine you are on your 5-minute time frame. You come back to your daily time frame or 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes time frame. You check the charts and see if price is coming into your demand level or your supply level or resistance level. You wait. Once it enters, you enter your 5-minute time frame and you check the market. Once it enters, you enter your short trade. You are guaranteed to make money. So guys, look closely at this chart right now. If you see, this is your 5-minute time frame, right? This is the 5-minute time frame, and when you zoom out to, let's say, let's enter the 30-minute time frame, you can see substance is showing, right? Now let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. If you go back to your 1 hour time frame, what you will find is there are many support and resistance, supply and demand levels. Look at it, how beautiful. Price is going up and coming down and entering levels. Once it enters your support level, what happens? Once it enters your resistance level, what happens? Guys, it's as easy as this. This makes trading so much easier than you can ever imagine. It makes trading extremely easy. It's very easy. It's as easy as this. Don't fuck up. Follow the trend. Follow what professional traders are doing. Follow what the big companies are doing. Because there are big companies and big banks that trade, and they don't trade like you and I with our $5,000, $3,000 or $10,000 account. They trade with millions in their account and they enter big trades with millions. What they do is they wait for supply and demand, their support and resistance, and they trade too, which is why you can see a very big up move here on this daily trend. This is 1 day. 1 day, look at the up move. This is 1 day, which means they waited for it to enter that level and they entered with big money. You need to follow what the rich big companies are doing. If you follow what the rich big companies with millions of dollars in their trading account are doing, you are guaranteed to win. They don't trade every day, they trade occasionally. But this is the standard strategy, and you never go wrong with this strategy. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this video, you can drop a comment. I will check it and reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps with the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. And lastly, guys, I want you to leverage the information on this video and make sure that you make money for yourself, even though the information here is just the tip of the iceberg. And if you want to learn how to trade Forex like a professional, because there's a whole lot of very key information that you don't know that you can learn, you can join my classes. It's just $149. Or if you want Forex signals, I give a minimum of 10 signals, 8 or 10 signals every week, leveraging signals that you can make money with. It's $50. The Forex education is $149. Or if you want account management, you can send me a message. I'll drop my number on the description and a link to my channel so that you'll join my public channel. And make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping another video with an information that's even better than this information. Subscribe and like my videos.